Match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Once again, we're in that autonomous 2960 and Frog Force side by side in the middle. 2960 darts off to that hub first. Frog Force follows suit. And you gotta keep your eyes on those alliance zones where those other robots are making their first moves, respectively Lance B-Bot and the Blue Alliance. We're seeing point after point. It looks like Red Alliance is gonna be the ones taking the lead here as they've secured almost 50 points in autonomous. Automation Nation moving into the middle area, as well as all three robots of the Red Alliance. It's going to be a big contention here as they fill up a hopper. They've got to get those points into that hub as soon as possible. Their alliance partners, the Green Machines, having some difficulties, but they're back in motion. The home team, the Green Engineers, they're doing their best in the central area here, trying to get as many balls as they can before the end of this first shift. The Red Alliance struggle to capitalize on their first 10 seconds. We'll see if the Blue Alliance can exceed the Reds' point total before they have to hand off the baton here. And they do, but it's by a narrow margin. We'll see if those 5 points are enough to keep the Blue Alliance competitive here. That's going to be Alliance number 6. Alliance 3 in red here. It's their active shift. It's their turn to play the game. And we're seeing 10-6-6-6 launching up those balls as high as possible, trying to get them into their Alliance zone. A bit of a passing play. Perhaps they're not quite Tom Brady. We'll see. Frog Force, they're aiming at that hub. They've got some balls in there, and the Red Alliance at the end of their shift is over 90 points. But it's time for Blue. They're trying to aim. We'll have to find out, where are they aiming at? Is it the net? Is it the hub? We've got to see. We're seeing some serious defense being played by Lance Bobot, trying to interrupt all of the robots on this Blue Alliance, and they are impacting all of them. There's 3 blue robots all in this tight area. It's congested, and 1 red robot might be enough to throw a wrench in their plans. It's over back to the red shift here. We're going to see how many more points can they rack up. 100's no longer a threshold and no longer gets you a ranking point, but we're focused on wins and losses here. This is the elimination bracket. Alliance 3, they're slated for the win. That's what the seed means, but it looks like there's some difficulty. Frog Force is having some issues with their intake. There's an alliance partner not moving. Another intake's come loose. Can the Blue Alliance figure out a way to come back through all these difficulties? The Green Machines had some issues earlier, but now it's time for these robots to shine if they can line up these shots. They're at a 40-point deficit, but they might be able to turn this around if they can get those balls in the air. They're working with some human players, doing the best they can, trying to get balls up. They've got 10 seconds left to try to turn this around. Can they do it, or is the Red Alliance going to be the ones writing history here today? We're seeing a score of 125, and it looks like that's going to be it.
Gentlemen, let's take a look at the board in the sky. Again, it is a Red Alliance win, 125-89. So for Alliance number 3, we will see you in match number 8. Alliance number 4, we will see you again in match number 6. Pretty quick turnaround. Hey folks, that's round